The nearest neighboring major galaxy to the Milky Way is the Andromeda Galaxy. This large galaxy is stunning in size and has around 3 times as many stars as the Milky Way does. Milky Way is estimated to have anywhere from 100 billion to 400 billion stars. But the Andromeda Galaxy boasts around 1 trillion stars. It can easily be seen with the naked eye from Earth, and it is found in the constellation of Andromeda, from which its name originates. Far from being just a pretty sight in the sky, the Andromeda Galaxy is an impressive, turbulent patch of the cosmos. It is even expected to collide with the Milky Way years down the road. There is a huge war coming between the Andromeda Galaxy and our own. The Andromeda Galaxy is heading toward the Milky Way at 400,000 kilometers per hour, which is fast enough to circle the Earth in just 6 minutes. It is estimated that it will take about 3.75 billion years for the collision between the two galaxies to occur. So what will happen to Earth after this collision? Experts believe that Earth will most likely survive. They believe our planet will be mostly unharmed because the galaxies are made up of mostly empty space. Earth could get a pretty incredible show out of the collision though, and it would be seen throughout the sky for many years. The two galaxies will continue to tug at each other for years, until the central black holes in each galaxy get close enough to merge as one. Once they have merged, our solar system will be in an entirely different type of galaxy known as an elliptical galaxy. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified for more content.